This is my 1978 Chevrolet truck. It's the most reliable thing I ever bought. I got it for $800 and a 6-pack of Coors Light. So the guy was obviously an alcoholic. There's still liquor bottles underneath the seat and I still need to clear out. Done a couple of things, repainted the wheels, did it all with Walmart spray paint, cost me about 15 bucks. Got the wheels, hubcaps, all that stuff, just found it basically. You can find the stuff anywhere. I got it from my brother's house for free, so alright, let's take a look at it. I was told it was a 350. It's more likely a 305. Can't really tell yet what exactly it is. I don't really care. It runs and drives good. It's got about as many miles as here to Jupiter. And the things I've done is fix the choke. Of course, that was not hooked up. Did a brake job because it wouldn't stop for nothing. Stopping is good with these heavy trucks. What else? I put a new hood because some smart guy decided to bend the hood when they wanted to open it. What else? Oh, I put a new grill because it was missing. Got that for like $5 at Junkyard. That's about it, really. It's cheap and reliable, and the best vehicle I ever had. It starts right up now. So, I fixed the timing. The balancer was off, so I had to find out where the timing mark was, and retimed it and everything, and it runs like a top now. So let's start this thing up. Of course, it has the ugly crap Mexican interior. I cut the exhaust because it was all hanging down and rusted and about to fall off, so I cut that off, and gives it a little more deeper V8 sound. So there it is, cheap old Chevy truck. Get yourself one.